Hi, welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Hital.
I'm Anuja, and today we're going to show you how to make Asian style chicken with eggplant. Yum.
It sounds unusual, right? I mean, I don't think I've seen chicken with eggplant usually, but it's intriguing, definitely.
And it's really delicious. So a couple of things let's just mention before we get to the stove. We have about 1.5 pounds of eggplant, Japanese eggplant, that we have cut into cubes, and we've actually put it in water because anytime you cut ahead of time, eggplant tends to oxidize and it's not going to look good in your dish.
And if you're wondering what the Japanese eggplants are, they're the ones that are like real thin and long. So that's the style of eggplant.
All right, so this is prepped.
We also have 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. That's the other big important part in this recipe. And the ground chicken is usually ground chicken breast is what you usually find in the stores.
So here we have 10 large spring onions as stalks, and we've kind of divided them. This is the bottom and this is the top. So we're going to be using this for the cooking and this more for the garnish on top. So now we can head on over and get cooking.
So we've got a nice large wok style pan here with 2 tablespoons of oil heating up.
We're going to add the spring onions, the whites. So whenever we do cook Chinese style food, it's usually cooked on a higher flame than normal. You just want a quick frying, not for it to wilt and all. You want it to remain crunchy and still hold its shape. So we're just going to cook it for just a couple of minutes. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, and green chilies to taste. Mix. Again, just about a minute. All right. We're going to add in the chicken, ground chicken. You don't need to cook that. And just going to break it down.
And keep working at it till everything comes into like a crumbly mixture. We're also going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper.
So the chicken is almost done. You're going to add in the eggplant minus the water. And mix. Now keep in mind, chicken breast cooks really fast. So it's going to finish cooking along with the eggplant now. And the eggplant looks like a lot right now, and it's going to wilt. It's going to reduce quite a bit, and it'll be a perfect combination and a perfect balance of the two.
And we're going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt for the eggplant portion.
And mix. Once it's mixed well, and I'm going to cover it and allow the eggplant to cook. I'm going to give it a stir. As you can see, the eggplant is reducing. It's going to cook down some more and cover again.
So we're going to check on our chicken and eggplants.
And we've been stirring in between. Perfect way to do a test that your eggplant is cooked is you just put your knife through it. If it cuts through like butter, that means it's cooked. So at this point, we're going to remove the cover and let it dry up a little bit.
So once the liquid evaporates a little bit, it's time to add some more seasonings.
We're going to add some soy sauce for flavor.
It's about 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. We're using sambal, or you can do it according to your taste. And give that a good stir. And both the chicken and eggplant are cooked at this point, so you are definitely welcome to give it a taste test and see if you need to add a little more soy sauce or salt.
And it's done, and we're going to turn off the stove. You're going to add in the greens of the spring onions. Give it a mix. And some cilantro.
And it's ready to serve. And look at this, we have it served with a little bit of rice on the side. It looks fantastic.
And last but not the least, we've got some roasted sesame seed. We'll just put it over the dish, and it's ready to serve. Oh wow, it's ready to eat actually. So this actual recipe was shared to us by Sanjeev Borkar. Thank you so much, we love it. Double thumbs up for it. So I'm gonna give it a shot. There you go. I know you've mentioned before, I love eggplant, and this is like a perfect combination of chicken and eggplant. The chicken gives a little texture, the eggplant has got the softness. It's absolutely divine, and you know, Chinese food. Can't go wrong with that.
Yep, absolutely. So if you'd like to see more of these kinds of recipes from us, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell also, so you'll be the first to know every time we post that new recipe.
Don't forget to share and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. And thank you, Sanjeev, again for this recipe, and enjoy this wonderful Asian style eggplant with chicken or chicken with eggplant dish, and join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.